Alright guys, we are back at Hollywood Studios for the night. We have dinner at Brown Derby later, but most importantly, probably in about an hour or so, we will be heading to Rise of the Resistance. So
yeah, look at that Christmas decorations.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Hollywood Studios is already very cool. I already like the lights and the design, but all the Christmas stuff's nice. Heading back to Galaxy's Edge to get on Rise of the Resistance. Finally, Group 80 is ready. 10 hours later. We got to the park really early this morning just to get in Group 80, but nonetheless, just as excited. We're about to get in the line now, and we will all catch you in a second. Hey!
Ticket or Magic Band? You're good to go?
Awesome, thank you. We are through at the Rise of the Resistance. We are past the line of Resistance security. We made it! I'm so excited, guys. Thank you. We are in the queue for Rise of Resistance. I'm smiling like crazy. Tell them to look at me. This is so exciting.
After we checked in at probably 8 o'clock this morning. Ooh, look at this waterfall.
Wow. So far, we've just kind of gotten an interior view, and it is so cool. And we've stopped. Not sure how far it goes, but we'll see. We'll find out, I guess. You scared?
So it's also nice because the queue gives you like multi-purpose benches.
Yeah, like decor, blends into the walls.
Decor,
Stick cavernous walls, and then you can sit throughout this.
Yes.
Wow. Super cool. Super cool. We're still in the queue. Getting a little low on oxygen, getting lower in the bunker. Sarah needs an oxygen tank. Room after room, more queue. We've been stuck for about 20 minutes, and it said there was a breakdown on the app, but now Chewbacca's in line, meeting people, so that's pretty cool. Chewie! There you go. Let's do it. Ah! Y'all get in. Hey everybody, Colin from the future here. This is right where we had to get out of line. We actually had our Brown Derby dining reservation, and we waited at that spot where it broke down for about 45 to 50 minutes, and then we were gonna miss a reservation. So we had to get out of line. They actually gave us passes to come back the next day without being in a boarding group, so that was pretty cool. So now when you see us next getting on the ride, that is the following day.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled?
Holy cow.
Good. Shouldn't you be
That's so cool.
Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Here we're in the transport ship.
Good.
Better in the bag.
Yes, check the hyperdrive. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm hit.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig, get up there.
Hell want a location of our secret base.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. We can take them. Wow, look at that TIE fighter.
Solo sympathizers. Anybody alone? Anyone want to be alone? We can arrange that. How about you? Foolish that they want to stay together. It's too late.
Brennan's like, I'll put you in jail.
How many? How many are you doing?
3.
Follow me. Right, please. How many? 4 simple tasks. 4. Stand right here, single file.
Yes, sir.
How many? Right behind you. You will follow them. Standing right behind you. Please.
That's right, this is when they're gonna come yell at you for
Stand right here, single file. It means you are braver than most of you.
The Resistance may not have taught you discipline, but we will.
Do not bribe me, Lieutenant.
Your documentation will do you no good.
Are you sure?
Positive.
I'm gonna try.
Good luck.
Thank you, Melissa. This is great.
You are ready.
My back line will follow me, front line follow behind, and do not delay me. I have things to do today. Follow quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll proceed to activity.
How many in your unit?
3.
Stand on red.
Thank you.
And your unit? Stand on blue. Your unit? Stand on blue. How many in your unit? I call call your color to enter the cell, you will come by the color you are called. What color are you?
Rojo.
And you had to look down to check that.
Yes, ma'am.
And you? You didn't have to look down. Good. And you? Only one has had to look down at the color.
Sorry.
You'll learn.
Next time I come through.
At least you didn't mess up your numbers. Or did you?
I don't know. Were we given any numbers? I don't think we were. Now she's confusing me.
You were requested to give your number.
What number are you looking for? My phone number?
Your unit number.
3 5 2.
Blue, enter the cell.
She's great.
Silver, enter the cell. Orange, enter the cell.
Oh my gosh.
Red, follow behind quickly now.
Thank you, Melissa.
All the way into the cell, we do not have time. Well, I do not have time. You'll be in here for a while.
Look up there.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I cut through the door. We're getting the ride vehicle now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Red, red, red.
Wait, you're still here?
You're red, yeah, red.
Coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck.
Got our droid.
Doors are closing. I'm gonna have to pull these yellow toxins restraints from the yellow toxins restraints.
Yellow
We
tab.
want to make sure everyone is secure. We don't want anyone lost during our escape. We're proceeding with this way. Thank you. Alright, these transport doors are opening. Watch your arms in.
Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise it. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaking the mission block 3.
Turbo's blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Prisoners block C and then D. Fire! Take cover, recruits! If anyone's making a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us! Why are you going out? I said down!
We're about to do the drop.
Oh, it's real bad!
Ready for the drop? Oh, it's later, I guess.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
That's cool, like an elevator up.
Conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
All personnel to their stations.
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
That was so fun.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scaffolding spot people.
Look, we're outside.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Hey everybody, back again. I just want to do a little wrap up for the video since we didn't actually do one at the park. Me and Brendan will be doing a bigger review in the end of our next discussion coming out shortly after this. But just shortly, I wanted to say that I had extremely high expectations coming into this ride. I was very, very excited. I was expecting big things, and I think they delivered. I think there was a lot going on. There was a lot of new, I guess, technology you can say that the Imagineering team has used for this ride. There's multiple sections, in and out of ride vehicles, really good kind of live acting cast members and parts, great animatronics. To sum it up, it was an amazing ride, and I would ride this ride whether you have to get a boarding pass or wait in line. I highly recommend it, but we'll break it down a little bit more for you and give you Brendan's thoughts as well on our news episode coming up in a few days.